this is Will from Junray. Welcome to the instruction video of ZR-3924 Particulate Matter Sampler. ZR-3924 has 5 channels, one channel for collecting particulates on a membrane filter, 4 channels for collecting gases by impingers. All channels can work simultaneously, which could significantly improve your work efficiency.
Instrument configuration 3924, host machine, aluminum case, power cord, membrane, filter, foldable funnel, L-shaped short tube, silicon tube, instruction manual, product certificate, tripod bag. Optional accessories: TSP, PM10 cutter, TSP, PM10 PM25 cutter, TSP, PM10 cutter, TSP, PM10 PM25 cutter, absorption bottle, Bluetooth thermal printer.
This machine has a built-in battery. You can recharge it before on-site sampling by connecting to power supply. For sampling particulate matters, we have different cutters for different size particulates. This one is a 3-in-1 cutter which can be used to collect TSP, PM10, and PM2.5. The bottom layer is used to put the membrane filter. Take out the filter holder and open it. Carefully place the filter into it and clamp it in the holder. Then screw the corresponding cutter. For TSP, screw the TSP cutter. For PM10, screw TSP and PM10 cutters. For PM2.5, screw all cutters. After that, install the hole cutter on the machine. For sampling gases, you need to fill the drying box with silica gel beads to remove water from the gas that enters the machine. Unplug the tubes and take the box out. Rotate to open each compartment and use the funnel to pour in the beads. Then put it back and replug tubes. Fill the impingers with absorption solutions, then place it in the result holder. This part is an insulated container which can control the temperature in the range of 15 to 30 degrees Celsius. Find the tube that comes with the machine, then connect the impinger to the drying box. It supports sampling 4 impingers simultaneously, then close the cover. After everything is okay, place the machine on the tripod. Press the power button to start up the machine. After self-check, it will enter home page. First is go to Settings interface. You can choose to measure atmospheric temperature and pressure or input manually. T settings means you can control the temperature of insulated container. For impingers, you can set the screen backlight time, enter the sampling location, and turn on, turn off. Bluetooth for printer. Choose Bluetooth function and choose wire or wireless printer. And also change the time and the date. After settings, go to sample interface. A, B, C, D are 4 sampling channels for impingers. You can set the flow rate, sampling duration, sampling interval, and sampling cycles, and sample number. You can touch immediate start to start the test instantly, and you can also set the start time, then touch timing start to schedule the sampling. After setting, you can touch copy A to B to copy settings. Then you can start A and B together immediately or by timing in the setting menu or B. For C and D, the setting is the same. Then go to TSP. There are the same settings here, and you can start all channels on this interface. Let's touch start. After zeroing, it will start working, and you can check the status of all channels. During the sampling, the selection menu will pop up when you touch ESC. If you touch No, the instrument turns to the home screen and enter background sampling mode. If you touch Yes, it will stop all samplings and return to home screen. There are two tips. First is, if the flow deviates 10% from the set flow for 1 minute, the sampling will stop. Second is, when power is restored after power loss, the machine will resume sampling. Touch Query. You can check historic data. You can touch up and down to switch different files, and touch arrow to check more information. Instantaneous data is the data stored each 5 minutes, different from sampling files which only be stored when the sampling ends. In this page, you can touch pitch up and pitch down to change the sequence number, and touch up and down to switch a file number. Power down data is to check the records of power loss. QR code is used to connect to LIMS, and if you have an optional Bluetooth thermal printer, you can print out the historic data. Long press the power button of the thermal printer, the light to turn it on, and you can see the Bluetooth icon. That means it's connected. Then you can just touch print. It will print out the historic data. And you can also back to the home screen and touch print to print the data by date or file number. And you can also export the data by inserting a USB flash drive. Then go to Query and touch Export. This is the export the single file. And you can also go to Export menu to batch export by date and file numbers. Auto calibration button means this machine can connect to Junray flow rate calibrator to calibrate the flow rate. So normally you don't need this function. Thank you for your watching. If you have any questions, please contact us. Junray, Precision Redefined.